I got this Milwaukee M12 fuel 12 volt lithium ion cordless 1.6 gallon wet and dry vacuum from Home Depot. It was on sale for $99. And that's pretty much the reason that I bought it. Well, also I never had a cordless vacuum, and I just wanted to try and see what it is, how it does. And here we go. It doesn't come with a charger or a battery. It's a tool only. And I knew right away that you need to use the strongest battery you have. I have a 4 amp and a 6 amp battery, and that's what I'm going to try and use with this vacuum. It does look like it's very compact, and also it's stackable, and it comes with a bracket that you can mount on a wall or on a shelf, I guess. And right there on the box it says that it's M12 fuel 1.6 gallon wet and dry vacuum. It comes with a HEPA filter and the hose attachments, and it provides 40% more suction than 18 volt competitors. Okay. So it's the most compact 12 volt vacuum, and it's up to 2 times quieter. Actually, it is a very, very quiet vacuum cleaner, but what I'm concerned the most is the power, is the suction power. It comes with a control switch, and it has 2 options or 3 options: low, off, and high. And on low speed, you can run the vacuum for about 26 minutes, and on high, 14 minutes. That's what it says in the manual. We'll see. I think it weighs about 10 pounds or almost 10 pounds, something like that. It's a little bit heavier than I expected. And the manual says that the hose is 5 feet long. I don't think it's 5 feet long. It's more about like 2 feet. I guess you can extend it, but I'm not so sure. Again, it doesn't come with a battery or charger. This is my old battery. It's about 5 years old, something like that, and it's still running fine. But it was $99 without the batteries or charger. So with the batteries and charger, I think it's gonna be very, very expensive. On Amazon, I saw them for about $300, the full kit. So I don't think it has a lot of suction power. On low or high, I was a little bit disappointed. It does have a nice filter, but it doesn't have a waste bag or a dust bag. So you will have to empty the bin. So it does look like it's designed for small projects around the house, or your car. It's definitely not a shop vac, so keep your expectations low, because it's not a deep cleaning tool. So my first impression, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this vacuum cleaner. It doesn't look powerful enough, but maybe some people will find useful, I guess. And please do not use it with 2 amp battery. You need to get the strongest battery you can get, 4, 5, 6 amp, to maximize the suction. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.